This is exactly where we left each other in my last video of Budapest. This is the continuation of that, so if you haven't watched my previous video, then do it right now. In this video, we are going to explore the district number 1 of Budapest, which is located on the Buda side of the city, also called as the Castle District, a quiet and a nice place to stay with a family. On the right side, you will find the list of places that you can visit here. So, welcome back to my channel Dream.catcher.meera and stay tuned till the end of this video as there are many more places still to explore. To reach this castle district, there are 3 ways. Number 1, you can either take a Castle Hill funicular or you can board an electric car to Buda Castle. Or like what I did, is to walk uphill and explore the beautiful site. As I mentioned in my last video, I took a free walking tour and this point was the last destination of our tour. Believe me, I really enjoyed this tour as I got to know some real hidden facts about the princess and the symbolic bird statue up there on the hill. Also about the rabbit. You should definitely take such tours to explore the real history of the city. The story sounds weird but interesting, so come over to Budapest after this corona crisis and explore it yourself. We are at the top of this hill where there is a palace, and the original palace is already ruined and you can only see the traces of it, and a new palace is built over it. And you can also see here back behind me, this is the house of Prime Minister, and the house near it is the house of the President, as in Vienna. If you haven't seen my Vienna vlog, just check it out. They also have similar kind of concept. There is a house for the President and a house of a Prime Minister, just side by side. These houses are guarded by guards, the Hungarian army guards, and they always stand over there. Moving forward to our next destination, the Church of Assumption of Buda Castle, or commonly known as Matthias Church, is originally a Roman Catholic church located in the Holy Trinity Square, in front of Fisherman's Bastion, at the heart of Buda Castle's district. Since the time it was first constructed in 1015, it is 3 times renovated in different styles, and the latest version is a Gothic style. The colorful roof is made up of porcelain, similar to that one of the St. Stephen's Cathedral in Vienna. When I reached there, it was already 5 p.m. and I was not able to go inside as it was closed. But do make it a point to visit the church from inside as it's beautiful. And for that, you need to buy a ticket which ranges 1800 forints, which is equal to approximately 5 euros. The other incredible building at this beautiful castle district is Fisherman's Bastion. It is one of the most important tourist attractions due to its unique panoramic and photogenic view of Budapest from the neo-Romanesque lookout terraces. in love with this place. This is just wonderful. It's better than Vienna also. I'm just loving it. German boat stop. German embassy. There are a few embassies over here. There is a beautiful terrace. Couples can have a good romantic walk on this terrace, holding their hands, looking into each other's eye and enjoying the view from the terrace.
I got some dirt on my shoes. My words keep coming as a pistol. No good thing in what I do. I know my actions, they can get confusing. But my step is find solution to give us space. It's like you wanna come out and play with me. Stoop down and out, you got me barefoot to this border. Then you ripped in my hands to beneath it. You read it up.
We spent most of our day roaming around the castle district. As we came back to the city center, look whom we met. Loudly, because we forgot our microphones. Okay, so is there a specific theme or motive behind this thing?
Yes, Greenpeace Hungary did this, and it's because we want to reduce plastic and we want to stop plastic which is only for one use.
Okay, so that's why you created this kind of monument with rails and showing that they should be preserved and we used to use less kind of plastic over here.
Yes, exactly. These plastics are from Italy, from the beach. So yeah, you can see lots of like Coca-Cola and the big firms did this.
Did you gather the plastic?
Yes.
You gathered it yourself and then you made it. Okay, I mean the group Green Peace gathered this all plastic from Italy, and then you make this monument showing this save the world from plastic.
Yes.
Oh, that's a very good motive.
Just to show people what's happening in the oceans.
Yeah, then I would like to have a photo with you.
So please think over it and save the ocean, and indirectly you will save the world. Avoid using plastics, and please, if you're using them, don't throw it in ocean, seas or lakes. In a way, you are endangering the lives of underwater creatures. As you require fresh air to breathe, they require fresh water to swim. Our next destination is the Liberty Statue or Freedom Statue, which is on the Gallows Hill. It commemorates those who sacrificed their lives for the freedom, independence and prosperity of Hungary. As we walk uphill, you will come across a small market where you can enjoy the local food and also purchase some handmade products. There is so much handsome amount of money here with me, ranging from 20,000 forints, 10,000 forints, 5,000, 2,000, 1,000 and 500, and you also have 200 forints coin, 100 forints coins. As you can see, this is so much handful amount of money. You have to literally carry a big amount of money when you are going shopping around here in Hungary. If you want to compare with euro, 1 euro you can calculate is approximately 300 forints, and it's a good news for Indians, like the value of rupee is higher over here, but don't mistake it. The food and the shopping is almost the same level as the another European countries. The only difference is you have to carry big bundles of money over here. I recently bought this pendule and chain. It costed me around 14 euros and it is approximately 4,000 forints. So you can calculate what kind of charges they have and what kind of quality and what kind of money you have to keep in mind when you think of conversions of any currency to forints. There it is, Statue of Liberty. One Statue of Liberty you can see in New York, the other you see it here in Budapest. It's a little bit smaller than the actual Statue of Liberty in New York, but the people over here in Hungary say this is the Statue of Liberty of Budapest. The tradition of tying locks or locking the love over here on the bridge in Europe is very famous. Even here up hills on this railing, you can see many locks that are tied. Generally, this tradition is to tie the locks on the bridges. Like the Fisherman's Bastion, this point is also famous for its panoramic and photogenic view. If photography is your passion, then you must visit this place. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, express yourself in the comment section and do hit the like, subscribe and bell button so that you get the regular notifications for my upcoming videos. And also share it with your friends and family members and help them out to plan their next trip to Budapest. For now, stay at home, stay safe, and till then, dare to dream, travel to discover. Keep watching Dream Catcher Meera. Goodbye and namaste.